Next is food chain. Whereas in case of grassland ecosystem and pond water ecosystem, there is a cycle cycle of the life cycle of the that is shown in the from producers to consumers, consumers to decomposers. So every component is depending upon each other. That is shown in the it may be shown in the organization chart. Organization structure is shown. Now we have seen the ecological pyramid in pyramid form. How these various abiotic components and biotic components are classified in various trophic levels. How they are distinguished, how they are divided in this ecological pyramid in various trophic levels. These components are shown. Biotic components from producers at the bottom level, at the top. Above that, primary consumers are there. Then above that, primary consumers, secondary consumers are there. And above the secondary consumers, tertiary consumers are there. That is shown in the pyramid form. So how it is shown in a how these components that is shown in a food chain. In a sequential order, these components are shown. In an ecosystem, food relations are very complex. The relation between the various components, it is very complex. So in various levels, some of the animals, they may be depend upon the two or more components. So therefore, it is very complex structure. The food relation between these various organisms, that is somewhat complex in nature. So that is shown in the food in the form of food chain. Depending upon the flow of energy from producers to consumers, consumers to then decomposers, how the energy is transferred from one level to another level, that is shown in the form of food chain. So what is food chain? The definition of food chain: so it is the flow of energy in an ecosystem from one system to another system. So flow of energy in an ecosystem is one-way process. It has a definite sequence. That sequence is called food chain. So it is also defined as it is a series of organisms through which food energy flows in an ecosystem. The energy is transferred from one system to another system. The energy will flow from one system to another system in a sequential order. There is a transfer of food energy from producers to consumers, consumers to decomposers. There is a transfer of energy from one level to another level. There's series of organisms through which this food energy is transmitted. That is called food chain. So this is a food chain. In case of grassland ecosystem, it is shown. So at the beginning level, grasses and herbs are shown. These are the producers. This will be consumed by grasshopper that will be consumed by frog. Then again, this frog is consumed by hawk. So this is sequential order, sequence of flow of energy, transfer of energy from producer to consumer, consumer to decomposer. ओके. समजलं फूड चेन म्हणजे काय? In case of pond water ecosystem also, this there will be the sequential order will be there. In case of grassland ecosystem and pond water ecosystem. So in case of grassland ecosystem, at the beginning, 5 are shown that will consumed by zooplanktons. Zooplanktons will be consumed by small fishes. Small fishes will be consumed by large fishes, and large fishes will be consumed by birds like herons. This is in case of pond water ecosystem, food chain. Okay. So here we'll stop. In next lecture we'll continue. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Give attendance in chat box. Everyone give attendance in chat box. कोणी राहिलंय का अटेंडन्स द्यायचं? Everyone give attendance. सगळ्यांनी दिले अटेंडन्स. कोणी राहिलंय का?